What do you know about Elon Musk?
Elon Musk is 53 years old as of 2025.
Mm-hmm.
He runs multiple companies including Tesla, SpaceX, and Neuralink. He is a billionaire entrepreneur. He wasn't always so successful. As a child, he was bullied in school. He didn't do well socially because he was introverted and he focused on programming and books. He didn't show strong leadership traits until he founded his own companies. His father gave him his first computer when he was 10. He wrote his first video game program and sold it when he was 12. He didn't stay in South Africa because he wanted to pursue greater opportunities in United States. He started his first company, Chip2, at the age of 24. He first became a millionaire when he sold Chip2 at the age of 28. He continued to be very successful through his early 30s. He won significant recognition in 2008 when SpaceX successfully launched its first rocket. In 2008, during the global finance crisis, he faced serious financial challenges. He launched Tesla's first electric car, the Roadster, in 2008.
Good.